In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert a Figma design into a Webflow project with a straightforward step-by-step approach that ensures you have everything you need to complete this task with confidence. First, we're going to navigate to Figma, a popular online tool used by designers around the world for its collaborative interface design capabilities. Once you've arrived at the Figma homepage, the next step is to log into your account. Ensure you're using the correct credentials so that you can access all your design files with ease. Once you're logged in, direct yourself to the home page of Figma. This is where you can view all the recent files you've been working on, and it serves as a central hub for accessing your design projects. From here, select the specific file that you wish to convert into Webflow. Clicking on the file opens it up, allowing you to view and make necessary changes before the conversion process. Make sure that everything in your design is final to prevent any unwanted discrepancies later. Now that you have your file opened in Figma, look for the Actions menu. Typically, this menu provides various options that allow you to enact certain functions or integrate with other platforms. In this quick tutorial, the goal is to find Webflow and utilize an integration that facilitates the conversion. Search for Webflow within the actions. If you don't immediately see it, take your time to locate the extension so you can proceed seamlessly. Following our search, the next clear step is to select the Figma to Webflow option that appears. By choosing this option, you trigger the conversion process. This tight integration between Figma and Webflow allows for a streamlined transition from visual design to a fully functional website layout. It's highly recommended to familiarize yourself with both interfaces to ensure a smooth process. Once you've clicked on Figma to Webflow, the final action required is to hit Run. This will initiate the process, sending your design from Figma over to Webflow. Be patient as the system works to convert all graphical elements, structure and styles into a format ready for Webflow's builder. This process can vary in duration depending on the complexity of your design. Congratulations! If you followed these steps, you should now have successfully transitioned your design from Figma to Webflow. This powerful workflow saves time and enhances creativity, enabling designers to focus on crafting beautiful web experiences without the hassle of manual coding. As always, explore further resources and tutorials to harness the full potential of these tools and perfect your design to development workflow. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial both informative and helpful as you venture into creating stunning web designs.